Hey friends, today I wanted to show you my home garden. Now it's freezing and I only really started my garden in February. So what I did first was this whole bit that I'm going to take you down. I basically put all my food scraps down there. So I dug holes, buried it, compost, trenched they call it trenching, the entire section, getting it ready for planting. Then I planted all of my winter vegetables. So let's have a look at what I got. So this is the herb section. So far I've got just some lavender growing, little baby lavender there, some rosemary, sage, it's getting a little bit eaten, but that's okay. This is flowers, important to have flowers so that you can attract bees. Lemongrass right here, oregano, the remainders of the basil, which was really basil was amazing this season. Parsley is going crazy, loving this. You can eat this with everything. Again, this was a flower. It's a beautiful mint. This was gone crazy before. All my garlic. This is sweet potato, artichoke. And look at these rainbow shards. So like what I did in the cooking video. Got my own. It's almost ready to pick. I can pick it now, but I want it to be a little bit bigger. This right here is Brussels sprouts. Here we've got some cauliflower, which is pretty cool. I've never grown cauliflower before. I haven't actually grown a lot of this stuff before. So this is the cauliflower here. I've got 4 of those there. Then I've got my kale. And then here we've got broccolini, which has got a beautiful, look at that. Then we've got some kale here. They call it the winter wonderland. Bok choy. Now look at that. Like you can't find that in shops this size. Look at that. It's crazy. This is a rogue celery that grew out of the composting, which is pretty cool. This is also a broccolini. No flowering yet. We've got some sweet peas by the fence. Cos lettuce. Here we've got cabbages. So this is all cabbage coming along nicely in a little rogue tomato plant. That's just again came up on its own accord. So we'll see what happens. Not really a time of year for tomatoes. And then we've also got some more cod lettuce, so that'll be nice when that's all done. And down here, so obviously this is still all compost and everything like that. Got some chicory that's grown or growing. Some more, this is beetroot, so that's pretty exciting. I've never grown beetroot before. That's coming out on its own accord. And down the end got some Jerusalem artichoke. Can't see it, but that'll be pretty cool when that grows, because if you haven't tried Jerusalem artichokes, delicious, but also fartichoke, so beware, only eat don't eat too much. And that's the humble beginnings of my home veggie patch. So as you can see, I didn't really do anything fancy. I just laid out I made sure I trenched the entire area first to prepare the soil, put some seeds down, some seedlings, and I've got some veggies. So I've also got another section where I've got like all the Asian herbs and things like that, like chilies, Vietnamese basil, Vietnamese mint, coriander, and all those delicious things. So it's really nice just to be able to go out, pick some fresh herbs and things like that, and just add it to your soups and broths, which I especially love throughout this time of the year. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'm not going to pretend that I am a super green thumb. I feel like I've got my L plates on here, but if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Until next time.